Namaste. I'm very happy to present a seminar on the Ayurveda Professional Association APA platform titled Dravyaguna Polyherbal Formulations and Drug Herb Interactions. Now, when it comes to a holistic medical system like Ayurveda, one of the challenges that come before us in understanding how the system works is the complex formulations that Ayurveda recommends for use in clinical practice. So we know that in modern pharmacology, we look at a herb and then try to identify one or two chemicals which could be responsible for the action of that herb. And once we isolate that chemical or compound from that plant, I mean, the plant is no longer in the picture. It is that chemical or compound that actually works on the human body. So this molecular approach contrasts with the Ayurvedic approach, which looks at the plant in totality. In Ayurveda, we take the plant as a whole. And even if you take one plant as a whole, there are so many chemical compounds in a plant, maybe 20, 30,000 compounds. And how all these compounds interact together to produce an action on the human body is a mind-boggling problem to ponder about. Then to add to this complexity, when you combine herbs together, the complexity increases even more. It is even challenging to understand how a single herb like amalaki is going to work on the human body with all its innumerable chemicals. But we add two more and make it triphala, when we add haritaki and vipitaki, it becomes a formula with three herbs. And now the complexity is even much more. Not to speak of big formulations like Chavanaprasha or Agastya haritaki, which have, nearly 40, 50 herbal ingredients. So how do we understand all this? How do herbs interact with each other? Another big challenge today that we are facing is that when we administer herbs, this is one of the main reasons why there are so many side effects, that we use them singly. According to Ayurveda, to have a balanced effect on the body, we need to combine the herbs. A combination makes it balanced, and this combination has to be individualized also. So not only is the use of single herbs potentially harmful because of the higher chances of side effects, there could also be interactions with modern drugs. Like if a modern drug and a Ayurvedic herb are co-administered, we may end up experiencing unexpected reactions, what is today called as drug herb interactions. So how do we make sense of all this complexity? This is what we will discuss in our seminar, how the Ayurvedic chemosensorial approach of Rasaguna Veera Vipaka helps us to understand the action of a herb in totality, and how the theory of king and courtiers, how the different ingredients in a formulation, work together like a king and courtier to bring about a balanced effect on the human body. So I hope to meet all of you on Saturday, the 2nd of December, 2023 from 10:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. GMT. And let's discuss all these complexities and try to get a deeper insight into the Ayurvedic science of Dravyaguna. Namaste.